AI agents, autonomous workflows, AutoGPT, AgentGPT, Devin AI. Can AI really do your job for you? That's the question everyone is asking now, especially after the rise of tools like Devin AI, AutoGPT, and AgentGPT. These aren't just the next version of chatbots, there's something much bigger. They're AI agents, autonomous digital workers capable of thinking through tasks, making decisions, and even taking action online without being told what to do at every step. It's not science fiction anymore. It's 2025. And these autonomous AI tools are already changing how we work. Take Devin AI, for example. Developed by Cognition, it's being called the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. But what does that mean? It means Devin can understand a coding task, plan how to build it, research solutions, write code, test it, fix bugs, and even push the final version to GitHub, all by itself. No human sitting there, guiding every move. That's not just automation, that's delegation. This is the kind of tool that could eventually sit alongside human developers, or even replace entire portions of teams for certain types of projects. That's why when people search for Devin AI Explained, they're not just curious, they're trying to understand if the future of their job has already arrived. Then there's AutoGPT. When it first appeared, it shocked the internet. AutoGPT was one of the earliest open-source examples of an AI agent that could chain together its own prompts, decide what to do next, and use external tools like web browsers or file systems to get things done. Want it to build a business idea from scratch? It can. Need it to research the market, find competitors, create a landing page, and write a sales pitch? Done. AutoGPT use cases have exploded. Content creation, customer service, product research, even personal productivity. It's no longer about asking an AI a single question. It's about setting a goal and letting the AI figure out how to reach it. Another major player is AgentGPT, a more user-friendly version of these AI agents where you can give it a name, a role, and a goal, and it takes it from there. Want an AI marketing strategist? Done. Want a product development assistant? Sure. AgentGPT creates a full autonomous workflow, thinking through tasks in real time and evolving its plan based on what it finds. If you've looked for an AgentGPT tutorial, you've probably seen how easy it is to start and how quickly things get complex. But the potential is enormous. These tools don't just respond, they operate. They behave like junior employees who never sleep, never get distracted, and always execute. All of this raises big questions. If AI can perform reasoning and take autonomous action, what does that mean for human work? In 2025, it's not about AI replacing humans entirely. It's about changing the structure of work. Imagine a solo entrepreneur being able to run a company with a few AI agents as team members, or a corporate team that cuts repetitive overhead by letting autonomous tools handle reports, research, or testing. Suddenly, productivity doesn't depend on headcount. It depends on how well you can use these autonomous AI tools. And we're just at the beginning. Right now, these agents still need improvement. They hallucinate, they make logic errors, and sometimes they get stuck. But they're learning fast. Every month brings a smarter version. And behind the scenes, developers are racing to build agents with memory, better reasoning, more accurate models, and broader tool access. The goal is a seamless AI coworker who doesn't just help. You can rely on them like a real teammate. So can AI really do your job for you? Not all of it, not yet. But Devin, AutoGPT, and AgentGPT have opened the door. They've proven it's possible for an AI to reason, to act, and to build real things without micromanagement. The dream of a truly autonomous digital worker isn't a dream anymore. It's a beta test, and it's happening now. The future of work has already started. And it might not be about humans doing less, but doing different things, with AI agents doing the rest.